Welcome to day 9 of the Excel in 60 Days Mastery Challenge. And today, we will be discussing Flash Fill in Microsoft Excel. Flash Fill makes work productive, that is, speed up our work by recognizing patterns and using the patterns to enhance productivity in Excel. Let's say we have first name and last name. And our goal is to combine the first name and the last name. So instead of us writing across, what we need to do is to write the first one. Then our hope is that Excel understands the pattern we have used to help us fill up the remaining cells. So to use Flash Fill up the first cell, go to the second cell, then head on to Data tab, then on Data Tools group, click Flash Fill. You see that immediately Excel filled up the names following the pattern of first name and last name. Okay, so let's try another pattern. So let's say this time our goal was to do the last name first, then first name. Let's see if Excel will help us fill it up. So we'll come to the second cell under Data tab, then click on Flash Fill. You see that Excel correctly helped us to fill that out immediately. Let's look at another scenario. Let's say we have a full name, and the goal here is to split it into first name and last name. Let's start with the first name. So we have it this way. Okay, we have written the first name. Okay, so let's see if Excel will fill it up for us following the pattern. So click on the second cell and click on Flash Fill, and see we have all the first name separated for us. Let's do the same for the last name. Okay, and the last name, we fill it out. So Excel understands that this part, the right part of the name, should be the last name. So click on the second cell and then click on Flash Fill. And you can see that everything has entered in correctly for us. So let us use the third scenario on the email now. Let's say it is our policy in our company to use the last name of every employee for their official emails. So let's write the first one. So if we are entering the first one, it will be adeyemi@awake2powercommunications.com. Okay, so now we have entered the email following this pattern using the last name. So let's use Flash Fill to enter them out correctly. Click Flash Fill and you can see it picked everything out correctly. The emails are correct. So thank you very much for joining us. Remember to subscribe, put on your notification, and follow through with the challenge. Join our Telegram channel, and after the challenge, get set for assessment and certification.